Hi, everybody. It's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I want to talk to you about how to solve for x when you have a quadratic equation like we have right here. Y equals x squared plus 8x plus 12. So we want to solve for x, which means we're finding the roots. We're going to use the zero product property, and the first thing I want you to do is make your generic rectangle and the diamond. In the corners, oh wow, you can't see that, sorry. In the corners, okay, we have x squared and 12. We multiply that and we get 12x squared. That goes at the top of our diamond. The 8x, the middle term, goes at the bottom. And now we need two numbers that multiply to equal 12x squared and add to equal 8x. You could use 6x and 2x. Okay, so now we want to find the greatest common factors. For 6x and x squared, it's x. For 12 and 2x, it's 2. For x squared and 2x, it's x. For 6x and 12, it's 6. So we write x plus 2 times x plus 6, right? And then I should have wrote this a while ago. We're going to let y equal 0. So then this will equal 0. Now we set x plus 2 equals 0. Subtract, or take the opposite. We get x equals negative 2. Over here we have x plus 6 equals 0. Take the opposite or subtract. X equals negative 6. So those are your answers. Those are the solutions. As a root or a coordinate, which is your x-intercept, okay? Thank you.